So you clicked on this video today because you want to make your first $1,000 online. And one thing I'm gonna tell you about this video today, it's not gonna be just like any other videos that everyone else tell you, oh, it's easy. It's completely easy. I'm not gonna lie. It's a grind, but only if you go into it head in first without knowing exactly what to do. That's why in today's video, I'm gonna be your big brother. I'm gonna be your uncle, whatever you want to call it, because I'm gonna be telling you guys exactly how to make your first $1,000 online, so you don't have to go through the troubles that I went through, that other people probably had to go through, and you guys can skip the line and just get right on, whether it's social media, online, anything. Simple as that, because it's all the same sauce for every single thing, whether it's content creating, whether it's digital products, whether it's your online business. It's all the same recipe, I'm trying to tell you. So what's good, YouTube, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Reese in the Cut. And if you guys don't know who I am, I'm a 21-year-old content creator from Illinois. I do financial content, motivational videos, and educational videos just like these. Now, our goal is to hit 30,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So if you guys want to contribute to that, make sure y'all smash that subscribe button. Now, further ado, y'all, I know y'all like when I get straight to the video. So enough of the small, yeah. Let's get straight into it, man. So before you can start to make $1,000 online, I want to share a little story. Not a story, but I just want to share my some of my trials and tribulations before I made my first $1,000 online, right? Because this is where a lot of people there are going through it as we speak, and I see it a lot. You know what I'm saying? I see a lot of people, they come online and they thinking like, man, I'm gonna start making $1,000. I want to start making $1,000 right off the bat. But a lot of people, they don't know the recipe, they don't know the sauce, they don't know where to start. And it's just a lot of the blind leading the blind. You feel what I'm saying? Like, it's a lot of people just going head in and they don't know exactly, they don't know what to do at all. Simple as that. So first off, I want to say, yes, everybody has a certain time of when their time comes, because I've been doing content for 4 years. My first 4 years on YouTube, I did not make any money. I'm going to be completely honest with you. And it took for one small change that I'm going to get into later on in the video that sparked everything, and I have not looked back. My personal brand has not looked back. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, 4 years of just hopping on social media, just posting and posting and posting. It even came to a point where I used to see people on social media talking about how they made this much of money a month. They made this much money off of a video, or how much money that they were making and how it was so easy and how you can do it. And after a while, I just stopped believing in it completely. I'm like, these people are liars. They don't know what they're talking about. It's cap. I post consistently. I'm showing up. My content is quote unquote good. Like, I'm doing it all. Like, there's no way you guys are making this money. And that's probably what a lot of you guys are feeling like. You guys probably have watched video after video, looked up different videos, how to make $1,000 online, how to start making money online, and you guys have just come to a block wall every single time. First off, it's gonna start in your mindset, bro. First off, a lot of these people, they're not lying, they're not capping or anything. It's simply up to you. And one thing that I had to change in my mind, I was very stubborn when it came to content, when it came to making money online, when it came to doing these things. First off, I was younger. You know what I'm saying? I was a kid. So when I would see how these people would make money online, I would be like, bro, I'm not interested in none of that. It looks boring. And why would people want to watch this? Why would people want to buy things like this? And I did not understand. And that's a lot of the problems right now. A lot of you guys do not understand why a lot of people do or post the certain things they do, sell the certain things that they sell. And that is what I'm gonna get into. Stay with me, right? So first off, your mindset, dog. Do not be stubborn when it comes to making money online. You are doing nothing but hurting yourself. When you see, you're going to see a sauce. You're going to see a certain pattern that everybody on social media tells you to do. No matter what video you click on, they all going to say the same thing, no matter if you want to hear it or not. And if you feel like you already know what I'm going to say, go ahead and exit out the video. But if you're willing to hear what I got to say, stay on the video. You feel what I'm saying? So untrain your mind. You're good. Like, the thing about social media is you may have to start either posting, selling, or change your business to things that are not so much of just like entertainment, comedy, things of that nature, right? If you have an online store and you're selling, let's say you're just selling like funny keychains or something, right? Or like, you know what I'm saying, just funny keychains or whatever. Not saying that might not sell, but a lot of people, they don't need it. That's not what they need. It's not a want in the community, right? That's a lot of things that maybe kids or younger kids would probably buy. But you have to realize those kids may have to ask their parents for money. Those kids may have to go to somebody to get that money, and it's not a guarantee, right? So when it comes to making money online, you got to go to where the money is, and that is the adults. First off, the adults is the people who are going to work. They have their own money. They have to ask people for money. So with that being said, it's not simply that you're not consistent. You might be a very consistent person, but you're seeing no results. It's not that your content is the worst. You feel what I'm saying? It's not that your products are the worst. Your content, your products, or whatever, your consistency, it just may not be valuable to online, to the online presence. And this is the shift that I started to make. You feel what I'm saying? And just when I really sat down with myself and said, okay, I need to find something in the community that I would enjoy doing, enjoy talking about, and even someday enjoy selling a digital product, a course, or whatever on, that maybe a lot of people are struggling with in the community, in our world, right? That I know that even when I help this person out, the next person is coming in, they need help, or they're looking for the same way that person just got out. You know what I'm saying? So that's when the change started. I stopped worrying about so much stuff that was useless. You feel what I'm saying? I stopped worrying about so many things that I know a lot of people, they don't need help with being funny. They don't need help with doing, you know what I'm saying? So what I started to do is I started to do my research. It's like you gotta dig deep down. You gotta do, like, you have to study the human brain. You know what I'm saying? I think the best thing about being human, and this is what's gonna help you make your first $1,000, and on and on and on and on. You are a human being. You have to think on a human being level, right? For example, what did I think of? I thought I'm a human being. I know how tough it is to save money in today's society with a lot of inflation. A lot of us are working 9-to-5 jobs, right? So I'm thinking, okay, I probably can help some people out, save some money. And that is the first, that's when it all first happened for me. I put that video out, as you guys can see. I was able to make $1,100, 13 minutes, one video. And just from that, I have my personal brand has not looked back. And then I started to believe all these people who were on social media, selling digital products, doing these things. They were making money because they were helping people solve problems, personal problems. You feel what I'm saying? You're not lazy. You're not inconsistent. Your content is not bad. Your digital products are not bad. Your online business is not bad. It's just simply, they may not be solving problems right now. They may not be helping people right now. And that's all you need. All you need It's just a simple problem solver. And you will eat forever. You will never go back broke. You will never have to worry about your business collapsing. You know what I'm saying? You help another customer, then another customer is going to tell another customer. And then someone's going to recommend your video, your product. They're like, hey, I've been watching this guy, and I'm not going to lie, his videos change my everyday outlook. I see people, I be seeing parents in the comment section be like, I sent this video to my 18-year-old son, and I'm just amazed. Like, I'm going to send this video to my kids since you're a younger, you know what I'm saying, you're a younger adult male, and I feel like you can help them out. That is a personal problem that I am helping with. You feel what I'm saying? And that's what it goes for everything, dog. Someone may go to your online store and be like, you may have a product that helps cure maybe skin acne or something. And a person might say, hey dog, they may go to their friend like, look man, I use this person's skincare product and it completely changed my face. My face has been clean, acne gone, the whole 9 yards. I think you should do it. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all get the concept I'm going at? And since you helped solve that person's problem, you helped solve that person's acne, they're going to tell another person and another person and another person. And that is how the online world works. It's simply you solving someone else's problem, and then another and another and another. And then trust the ideas for your products, for your content, for your business. The business is going to flow. Because once you got that ball rolling, it's not going to stop. Trust me. Ideas is going to flow left and right. People, they're going to tell you what else they, and when the people tell you another problem that they have, immediately solve it. Immediately get straight on it. You feel me? When they recommend like, hey, okay, I have this problem. You know what I'm saying? Get on it. Learn it. Just like how when you first came on there and you learned about that problem, do it again. Learn about it again. Simple as that. A lot of us, we get wrapped up in our own self-doings. We get real stubborn. I was stubborn for 4 years about my content. So I had to realize, you know what I'm saying? What it took for me, the big change that it took for me is like, I was like, you know what I'm saying? I don't have that much time to post content anymore because I had to go to a 9-to-5 job. I had to give all of my hours to the job. But I got tired. I'm like, look, dog, I'm going to make it work. I'm going to come on. I got a platform, over 10,000 people. I'm going to find something that makes it work where I can make it a lucrative business so I don't have to spend so much time at my job and I can have the energy to do what I need to do. So you have to realize, when is enough going to be enough? You feel what I'm saying? When are you going to get out of your ways? When are you going to let your pride go? Because trust me, I swear I used to think everybody on social media was lying and capping. I'm like, that person did not make $15,000, $20,000 in a month. That person did not do that. This content shit don't even pay that much. But I was looking at my own self-doings, my own eyes. You feel what I'm saying? So that's literally it. That's the sauce. That's the sauce to making your first $1,000 online. Simply, dog. Don't cheat yourself. Do not cheat yourself. I get it. You want to do what you want to do. But remember, you got to do what you have to do so you can do what you want to do. Then after you get your platform, you got your business up moving, everybody knows you. You got clout. You booming. Your name is ringing around town. Your name is ringing around the country, the world. Then you can go do what you want to do. But for now, you got to put in the dirty work. You got to sacrifice what you probably don't want to do. You feel what I'm saying? And that's what the difference is. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe. We talk about stuff like this every single day on the channel. Mindset, money, the whole shift, everything. And I'm on this journey just with you guys. We're still on this 90-day run. Take care of your bodies. Pray to God. Solve some problems. Get some money. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know I love this. I know I'll be back for more content. Hey,